Hello everyone, I'm Devon Andrews. I'm the Community Engagement Manager for Charleston County Public Library. And this is... Elliot, yes. And we are doing a series for the summer reading program called Fairy Tale Foods, where we talk about fairy tales and we make a recipe inspired by one of the fairy tales we love. So today we're going to be talking about... what fairy tale? Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Yeah, we love that story, don't we? So what food do we see in Goldilocks and the Three Bears? We see...
porridge!
Porridge, right.
I love porridge.
Yeah, me too. And porridge, what we think of as being porridge is the most common kind we know of is oatmeal. So we're going to make an easy overnight oatmeal, but we're going to call it, because it's got red, white, and blue in here, and it's summertime, we're going to call it Patriotic Porridge Parfait. Can you say that?
No.
No.
What you said?
Patriotic Porridge Parfait.
I can say that.
You can?
No.
No. Oh, I forgot some milk. Play them a song, Elliot, while I grab some milk.
What kind of milk is that?
It is your milk. It's your favorite milk, 2%. And what Elliot has in his hand is a cool instrument we just made for one of our other summer reading videos called a panpipe. So make sure you check that one out too over the summer. So this is going to be a jarred recipe where we make the oatmeal, or our patriotic porridge parfait rather, and then it just sits overnight.
Mom, what do we put in there?
I'm glad you asked. We'll put all our ingredients in here. And then in 12 hours, or tomorrow morning, we will have...
what?
Our delicious recipe. So first we need our oats. Which one of these things do you think is oats? No, you know what those are.
Strawberry?
Over there. Next to the oats. Next to the strawberry. You think these are oats?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we're going to use about 1 cup of oats. We're just making 1 jar.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
You bet.
I'm going to do it by myself.
Okay, hold it very still so we don't spill our oats. Oh, Mom spilled them. Good work. Okay. That was about 1/2 cup. Here, let's get it all in there. So then we'll do a little bit more. Ah! There we go. Yum, yum.
That's how many oats. I love the oats.
Me too.
Look at them laying around. Those are battling.
They're battling?
Huh? They're having oat fight.
An oat fight. That's not something you see every day. Now we need 1 cup of milk. Okay, so...
I want to hold it.
You want to hold that? Okay, hold it very still. And I'll fill it up. Gently pour it in. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh!
Mom, the oats and milk are having milk and oat fight.
Now there's a milk fight too. Okay, so now we're gonna add some tasty yogurt. And the recipe I saw said you can use vanilla or plain, but we don't have it either of that, so we're gonna use coconut, because I think that's gonna taste good. But of course you can use whatever kind of
I want to hold
yogurt you want.
I want to do it. I want to hold it by myself.
Can you, if I give you a spoonful of yogurt, can you put it in there? Yeah?
Okay.
Oh, yum.
Mom, the yogurt and milk are having yogurt fight.
A yogurt fight!
Milk.
So we're going to use the whole container of our tasty yogurt. You want to lick the spoon?
Mm-hmm.
Like that kind?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna put our red berries in there.
Red Red berry?
Red berries. So you could use strawberries or raspberries or a mixture. So we've got strawberries today, so we're gonna use those. Can you put them all in the jar?
Whee!
Now it's up.
Strawberry and yogurt fight.
Yeah.
I want to do this.
Okay.
I want to do this one.
Okay.
I want to do this one too.
And I used regular rolled old-fashioned oats, but you can also use, these work great, you can also use quick oats, whichever one you have handy.
Mom, it's the strawberry yogurt fight.
Yep. So now, let's do our blueberries. Hey!
Sorry.
It's okay, you can eat one if you want. I know you're a big fan of blueberries. So what we'll be left with is a sweet and healthy breakfast treat.
What?
Our patriotic porridge parfait.
And the blueberries and strawberries are having blueberry fight.
Fruit fight!
I want to do these ones. Hey, there's the one.
Yummy! So all we're gonna do now is put this in the refrigerator overnight, give it about 12 hours, and
Wait, I want to put all the blueberries.
okay, and then we'll have our tasty treat. So this is easy. You can use any fruits you have at home. And of course, talk about the story of Goldilocks and the 3 bears. You want to tell the kids what happens in that story?
What?
What happens in Goldilocks? She comes in their house, and then what does she do?
She changes into the bad wolf.
Bad wolf. I think you're mixing up your stories. What she eats? Papa Bear's porridge, and it's too what?
Hot.
It's too hot. And then she tries Mama's porridge, but it's too
Hard.
cold. And then she eats Baby Bear's porridge, and it's just right.
Huh?
And then she sits in Papa Bear's chair.
That was too big.
It's too big. And then Mama Bear's chair.
That was too hard.
Too hard. And then Baby Bear's chair.
But then it broke.
Yeah, it fit just right, but then she broke it in a million pieces. And then she was tired, so she laid in Papa Bear's bed, but it was too, I think that was too hard. And Mama Bear's bed was too soft. But then Baby Bear's bed,
But just right.
yeah, and she fell asleep. And then the 3 bears came home and they said, someone's been eating my porridge. Yeah?
Yeah.
And then Baby Bear said, and someone's been eating my porridge, and they ate it all up. Yeah. And then they find Goldilocks asleep, and she's so scared when she sees the bears, she runs away. Okay, thank you for hanging out with us, making a cool...
I was smelling it.
Okay.
Yum, it tastes good.
Oh, delicious. I can't wait to try it.
Me too.
Thanks for hanging out with us and making another cool recipe and hearing about some fairy tales. And sign up for the summer reading program if you haven't already, so you can earn some really great prizes. You want to say bye to everyone?
Bye.
See you later.
I said bye so much.
I know, that was a lot of byes.